If you're experiencing login failures on your PlayStation 5, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow these steps to help increase your chances of successfully logging in. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your PlayStation 5 is connected to the internet. You can test your connection by going to Settings, Network Test Internet Connection. If there are issues, try restarting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 2. Verify your account credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct email address and password for your PlayStation Network account. If you have forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Step 3. Update your console. Make sure your PlayStation 5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, System Software Update, and Settings to check for updates. Installing the latest updates can resolve many login issues. Step 4. Check PlayStation Network status. Visit the official PlayStation Network status page to see if there are any ongoing service outages or maintenance that might be affecting your ability to log in. If there are issues on Sony's end, you may need to wait until they are resolved. Step 5. Rebuild database. If the problem persists, you can try rebuilding the database of your PlayStation 5. To do this, turn off your console, then hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller via USB and select the Rebuild Database option from the Safe Mode menu. This can help fix various system issues. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve login failures on your PlayStation 5. If problems continue, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance.